So the procedure itself is really quick. You're in the room for maybe 15 minutes, but most of that is just positioning and getting you comfortable and getting you where you need to be. But the laser time itself is just seconds. The laser flap creation takes about 15 seconds, and the laser vision treatment usually takes 5 to 10 seconds. So extremely quick and efficient. Our team is in there just guiding you through the entire process. We talk you through what to expect. We'll let you know that at one point there's going to be some gentle downward pressure, that while you feel that pressure, the vision goes dark for a few seconds and then comes back. And once you're done with that section, everything else is just so easy. After surgery, we tell you to expect that the eye will feel a little bit uncomfortable, tearing, burning, some foreign body sensation for the first 4 to 6 hours afterwards. And that's why we encourage you to take some Tylenol, ibuprofen, and just get a good nap in when you get home. And that really helps to have it be smooth sailing. By the next morning, everything tends to feel much more comfortable and vision tends to be very good, even on day one.